Hey, so here's a sneak peek of Dino training up to 700 score. Let's go.
I'm kind of scared to watch, but anyway. He died. He died, whatever. Yeah, so it's just like playing on my MacBook Air. $100. So it can get up to about 600 now. I mean, not every time 200, but like sometimes. It's training the memory, right? 300. $400. I died. But sometimes, it's training. It's doing the thing where it's training in the middle of, like, PPO does a whole bunch of rollouts for, like, I'm setting it to like 4,000 steps of rollouts, and then is this actually recording? I don't know if it's recording. It was recording. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, PPO does a whole bunch of rollouts and then it learns for a while. So yeah, let's see. So it's just another learning bit. So like now this graph. This graph is the well, this is the episode mean length, right? And we are on the pink line, the one that sort of went down and then up again. Anyway, so we're up to 200, 450, 300. $400. I'm sort of counting my chickens here and saying it before it actually gets to 400, right? Alright, 500. And then if we're lucky, we'll get to 600. But then, like, the screen goes white, and then he dies, basically. 600. And then about now-ish, the screen's going to turn white. I guess it's 700. And then the screen turns white, and then he dies. And that's as far as he gets now. He has to learn to deal with that white bit.
Exciting, right? So that's it for this video, and then I'm going to create another video where I describe how I got Dino to train. Now that trained on a MacBook Air in 6 hours. Correct. Alright, so there's another video I'm going to make where I describe what I did to do that. Thank you to Nicholas Renotte for the original idea and the visual implementation, and then I'm going to create a video where I describe how I built on that to get 706 hours on a MacBook Air. So look out for my next video, and hopefully I'll see you there.